From schools that educate your children, to hospitals that treat your families, places you rely on every day use steam or hot water from boiler systems made by Cleaver-Brooks. Our global success comes from our local presence, supporting our customers beyond the initial sale and serving as true partners throughout the entire life cycle of their equipment. That local impact is made possible by our dedicated, authorized representatives and the committed employees at Cleaver-Brooks that deliver excellence daily. Decades of working alongside our highly trained and authorized representatives to serve customers have equipped us to help you meet increasingly complex business needs through the combination of integrated equipment, service solutions, and trusted expertise. Cleaver-Brooks may have started by creating the first packaged fire tube boiler, but constant development of products, services, and solutions have evolved into what we call the power of total integration, a continuum of services, the sum of which is greater than its parts. Generations worth of experience paired with boiler room innovation, vast, genuine parts inventories, and extensive planned maintenance programs have solidified us as industry leaders, guaranteeing you cutting-edge solutions at the lowest total cost of ownership. To better serve you over the life cycle of your equipment, we are investing in operational excellence to improve lead times, efficiency, and economies of scale. We're also rolling out alternative service models that enable you to operate more safely and reliably, plus developing innovative products that provide for a more sustainable future. Count on Cleaver-Brooks for integrated equipment, full life cycle services, and expert consultations. This is the power of total integration, fueled by the strength of one flame.